Here we got a 1972 Dodge Dart Demon with a 340 4-barrel, which actually these are pretty stout small blocks, believe it or not. Even ones without the six-pack. The six-pack actually had a better breathing heads on it and different valves and stuff, a different cam. But the 340s were pretty stout motors, and then they went to the 360s. The 72 Dart Demon. They actually changed the Demon later on because, you know, I don't know, it sounded too bad, I guess, at the time. You know, in 72, there was a lot of like, yo, that's worse than the devil or something. So, anyway, but it's got a white and black interior. I always liked the white and black interior because it looks nice. You know, if you don't want an all-white interior because it's too damn difficult to clean. You know, here you just got to do the seats. The seat belts are black; they're not going to be white. The door panels don't get dirty. And actually, if you spray the right protectant on it, the seats stay white pretty long. I used to use Wesley's bleach white tire cleaner on the seats all the time to clean them. That cleaned them way better, faster than this other stuff. Pop-out windows, got the dual stripes on the back. These were known as a low-budget muscle car, and they're pretty popular. You know, one thing in the Northeast, man, they freaking rust out so damn fast, though. That was one of the things. Rust was the big problem, not the mechanics. Because everything Dodge, Chrysler, and Plymouth made was very good mechanically back in the early 70s all the way back. You know, all the way back to whatever, the 30s and stuff, you know. Everything they made was great.